Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete Steam streaming microphone and speakers from your system. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the search bar. Click on it to activate the search function. Once the search bar is open, go ahead and type in Device Manager. This will bring up the Device Manager application, which is your control center for managing all hardware devices connected to your computer. Now, you'll see the Device Manager app appear in your search results. Click on it to launch the application. This tool gives you complete control over all the hardware components on your system, allowing you to enable, disable, or troubleshoot any connected devices. Once Device Manager opens, you'll see a list of different device categories. Look for the category labeled Audio Inputs and Outputs and double-click on it to expand this section. This will reveal all the audio devices currently installed on your system, including both your physical and virtual audio equipment. Within the expanded Audio Inputs and Outputs section, scan through the list to locate your Steam streaming microphone. Once you've found it, right-click on the device name to bring up a context menu. From this menu, select Disable Device. This action will deactivate the streaming microphone, preventing Steam from accessing it during your sessions and freeing up system resources. Next, you'll want to do the same thing for your streaming speakers. Look through the audio devices list again and find your Steam streaming speakers. Right-click on them to open the context menu, then select Disable Device. This will disable the virtual speakers that Steam uses for audio output during streaming, ensuring they won't interfere with your regular audio setup. And that's it! You've successfully disabled both the Steam streaming microphone and speakers from your system, which should resolve any audio conflicts and clean up your device list. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.